This is Matt Russell from the FX Power Course, and welcome to the Daily FX walkthrough.
So here are the four pairs that I will be discussing this evening: the Euro Pound, the Aussie Kiwi, the Pound Swiss, and the Euro Swiss. So let's go ahead and pull up the charts. The first chart is the Euro Pound. Not much has changed here. Again, I was waiting for prices to come down just below that 91 figure, but we can see that prices are continuing this rally, so I would just keep this price level up on the radar screen. Again, that would be just under that 91 figure, something to look for over the next 24 to 48 hours. The next chart is the Aussie Kiwi, and as I was mentioning in yesterday's report and the previous few reports, using this high over here on the left-hand side as a reference point. Personally, I didn't expect to see the pair breaking to new highs and looking for short trades on the short time frame, and we've actually had a sell-off here as the session began after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So right now it's a little too much risk in terms of the short trades, placing your stop above that 129.67 high. So I might pass on any future trades here. Hopefully you were able to catch a little bit of the down moves in this pair over the past several days. The next chart is the Pound Swiss, and I have now switched to the daily chart, and zooming into the daily, this is a support line that we might use. This is a support line actually that the pair broke below for that short trade that was on the hourly chart, but now again I've switched to the daily. So looking at the daily here, there's something I see, which is a textbook doji candle, and let's get the low of that doji candle, and this is something that we do teach in the FX Power Course. The low of the doji is 158.43. So moving forward, what we might do is look for long trades, placing our stop just beneath the low of that doji candle. Again, the low of the doji, 58.43. So maybe in the 58.33 area is where we would place our stop. And that's the most important thing in trading, knowing where you're going to place your stop at a clear technical level, in this case, just beneath the low of the doji. So with that being said, over the next 24 to 48 hours, we might look to get an entry close to that 158.43 low, so we can keep the risk low, and the reward could be high in this trade if this doji turns out to be a trend-changing doji. And the target could be up at this previous support line, which might now act as resistance. So this is a trade setup that we might look for again over the next 24 to 48 hours. The next chart is the Euro Swiss, and this is the previous support line that I was expecting to act as resistance. It did for a little bit, but then we had a close above the level. I actually entered this trade and lost about 40 pips on the close above the resistance line. Again, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. Thanks for listening.